Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. In my previous video, I told you that the price line of Stellar can hit 85 cents, and this was the video that I shared with you almost a month ago when I told you that the Stellar has formed a broadening formation and it has hit first at 40 cents here, then 60 cents, and now it can hit up to 85 cents because the next resistance of this broadening formation was at 85 cents, and we have seen that it reached up to approximately at 80 cents, 0.798 cents, and dropped down back at the support of the broadening formation. And with that, with this broadening formation, I also shared another move of the Stellar with you, that it has also completed a bullish cipher pattern that I also shared at the Patreon with the complete buying and sell targets and the stop loss strategy as well. And by the way, if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there, and you will find a lot more other harmonic trading ideas that I am sharing on the daily basis here. Okay, this was the idea that I shared at the Patreon. And I also shared in my previous video as well that the price action of Stellar has completed this bullish cipher move, and at that time you can see that it was moving in the buying zone of this bullish cipher pattern, and this pattern was formed on the 2-day chart, and we also had a very nice support of the 50 simple moving average as well. And you can see that the price line was at 46.4 cents. And after playing this chart, we can see that we had a very nice bullish rally up to approximately 80 cents, and now the price line has moved down in this buying zone, and this is another bullish harmonic move. This time it has formed a bullish shark move, and I will also share this shark move with you guys as well in this current video with the complete buying and sell targets. First of all, I want to show you this broadening formation, and we can see that whenever the price line is hitting this support, it is forming the higher highs. Like here we can see that it formed a higher high, and here it formed another higher high. This was another higher high, and finally we had this highest high so far that is approximately at 80 cents, and now the price line is again at the support of this broadening formation. And this time, if we will have a reversal move from here, we can see that we had a long spike even beyond this support of the broadening formation, and we also have some additional supports of 100 and 200 simple moving averages as well. And you can see that the price line has used this 100 simple moving average as a support, and now it is moving back inside this broadening formation. So that is very good gesture. We can expect that the price line will be moved back in this broadening formation. However, if it will be moved more down, then we still have two additional supports here, the 100 and the 200 simple moving averages on this 2-day chart. Now let's take a look at the harmonic formation that the price line has formed this time again. Previously we have seen that it formed this bullish harmonic cipher move on the 2-day chart, and this time it has completed the formation of the bullish harmonic shark move on the 4-day chart. And this time we also have the 50 simple moving average on the 4-day chart in this buying zone. So we can also use this 50 simple moving average as a support, or if we will be able to buy this between this buying zone, then we can also use this a maximum extent of this potential reversal zone as our stop loss as well. However, I'm expecting a powerful bullish reversal from here. At this time, we can see that we had even two spikes at the end of this buying zone, and the price action has been reversed. At this time, it is moving above this buying zone. Maybe we will have another spike to the downside, and we will be able to catch it from this buying zone. However, when the price line will be reversed from here, as per Fibonacci sequence, our targets can be 48.76 cents to 69.69 cents, and the buying starts from 38 cents and ends up to approximately 30 cents. So, but if we take a look at this broadening formation, then once we will have reversal, the price reversal from this buying zone of this bullish shark move that has been formed on this 4-day chart, then we can also have another move to the upside that can form another higher than the previous high, and this time if it will hit this resistance of this broadening formation, that will be approximately at 90 cents, or maybe we will have the next rally up to dollar as well. So we can also set our sell targets according to this shark move, and we can also set our sell targets as per this broadening formation. I'm expecting that once it will be reversed from the buying zone of the bullish shark move, then it can reach up to this resistance of the broadening formation, because so far whenever I have shared any harmonic move, the bullish harmonic move, the price action has hit the spike or rally beyond that the sell zone that I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of the harmonic moves. Like for example, take a look at this current cipher pattern that I recently shared on 26th of April with you guys, and let me show you another pattern that I shared almost a year ago on 2nd of May 2020, when the price line was moving at 7 cents, and it formed a very big bullish bat move, and I was expecting that as per the Fibonacci sequence it can go up to approximately 42 cents. But after playing this chart, we can see that it took a powerful bullish reversal from the buying zone of this bullish harmonic bat move and rallied up to approximately 80 cents. That is more than 1000%. Very big bullish rally, and I'm expecting still that it will continue its bullish rally after this price correction. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.